Great, welcome back. This is Michael Smith, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on an extension called TubePilot. So I just closed that down so that you can get kind of an organic experience. So head over to the Chrome store and type in TubePilot, one word, and it will navigate you here to the download page. And just go ahead and click this little blue button here. I've already got it downloaded, so but yours will say install. So once you install it, it'll pop up here in your extensions tab. I have this version here. It's red. It can be green or red. So if you click on that, this little pop-up will show up and it'll give you different options here. I'll just run through each one. There's the Reaction Studio, and this allows you to record your screen simultaneously with your device to create YouTube channel reactions or whatever. That's what it's inspired on. You'll have your account that you're logged in, and your credit balance, and the ability to buy any more credits. Those are about 4 cents each, so I wouldn't worry about that. Lastly is the side panel button and the products button. So I'm going to go to the products button and click on that, and it's going to display all of the different we'll call them products or services. If you're a business owner, maybe you have different YouTube channels, maybe you're selling something. So what you're able to do is to organize your videos by adding a product. So if you go ahead and click on add product, you can type in whatever product or service or business that you have. Maybe you have a lawn mowing business. Maybe you have it's at www.neatlawns.com, right? What is it? We have I don't know, weekly lawn service allowing you to great service all week. Sure. Right. So this is the service. This is kind of hypothetical, and I can go ahead and click save. So the reason we want to do this is because we have an AI feature. And so now I have a lawn mowing service here. I'll go ahead and click back, and then I'll go to the side panel. And so it's telling me I need to navigate to YouTube Studio. So I'm going to go over to my YouTube Studio. Then I'm going to click on it again, and then I'm going to click on the side panel. So it's going to open up, and you're going to see two major tabs or main tabs: the generator tab and the history tab. And so history obviously is going to show you all the videos that you've created and uploaded. The generator tab is going to allow you to select the product that you created. So I created the lawnmower tab, and it's going to ask you, how do you want to upload this video? So you can do it via the DOM, and all that is just basically watching it navigate as if it was a person, or through the YouTube API, or both, right? YouTube only allows you to upload roughly 5 videos through the API a day, but that's why we created the DOM version. And so I'm going to select the API first. Here, I'll use the DOM version so I don't waste it. And then last is the playlist, which playlist you want to upload. So these are all selectable items that you would normally go through the YouTube upload method, but it automates it so that you will not have to click through so many pages. It's a lot faster, right? I'm going to make this private, and in this video, let's say that again, this is my lawn mowing. We mowed a large house lawn, front and back. We provided edging and what is that? Bush trimming. Did I spell something wrong? Yes. All right. So I'm demonstrating this to show you what AI is going to do to optimize the videos that you upload. You want to have SEO, search engine optimization, for all text. That includes your titles and your descriptions. So we're going to generate metadata, and what that's going to do is look at the product that you have and also the description of the video to provide the best title and description, right? SEO optimized. So now we have lawn mowing secrets, edging and bush trimming tips. Perfect, right? And then it shows here in the description, we tackled a large lawn, front and back, providing edging and bush trimming services. See the process and results. So it's perfect, right? So now you don't have to worry about all of the time that you're wasting trying to figure out the best title and description that's going to get you the best views. So it also categorizes it as a how-to, and then gives you tags and also some hashtags here as well. So it's very, very user-friendly. I'm going to go ahead and click upload and fill, and this is the DOM version that I was telling you about. So it's going to go through each page as if it were you, rather than going through the API. And so this allows you to automate one or multiple videos through this extension. And you can see that only took a couple of seconds, and you're on to the next video. So if you have a multitude of videos that you need to upload, come to TubePilot, go ahead and click on your side panel, choose whatever videos you've got ready for you, and go ahead and upload them that way. So it's again, this is a Chrome extension. It's actually free. Head over to the Chrome store, download, and enjoy. Thanks again. This is Michael Smith. Have a good one.